5:30 and time to go. I've been driving for 4.5 hours now, and I think I'm going to take a break. There's a rest area in a few miles, so time to stop. Okay, I'm at the rest area, a little more quiet. Go in one of those picnic tables. Break is over. It's starting to get hot, so let's hit the road with the windows open. It is almost 8 p.m. and tired. Been driving I think like 12 hours. It's still pretty hot out there. So I probably won't be able to sleep. I don't think the temperature is going to go down anytime soon. So I think I'm going to keep driving. And if I do 1,000 miles, and I have another 250 to do 1,000 miles today, that means I would have completed the Iron Butt challenge, which is you have to do 1,000 miles in less than 24 hours. Of course, on a motorcycle, but well, I don't have a motorcycle, so I'll do that in a Jeep. And so I'm gonna get going. It's getting cooler. The sun is down now, so hopefully temperature is gonna go down. But so another 250 miles and I'll be good to go. And then I'll have to find a place to sleep, probably a rest area. So we'll see. Time to go again. It's 11 p.m. and that was the last break. Another 100 miles and I should be good to go for today or tomorrow. Not sure what time I'll be done. So that's it.